Hey guys, this is LUCC Productions here. I just wanted to show you something really cool that I found while I was wasting my time on the internet, like I usually do. Okay, so I'm assuming that... Oh, wait, no. Hold on a second. Okay, so I'm assuming most of you have heard of Nyan Cat. That's this magical cat that has a pop-tart for a body that flies through space while shitting out rainbows out of its ass. Yeah, so that's got like 6 million views on YouTube, and I think that's mainly because it's here on the Tosh.0 blog. So I went and I looked it up, same on Tosh.0, and it gives you all these different versions of it that are more or less exactly the same. And I just wanted to show you something cool that happens when you play them all at exactly the same time. It's not as amazing as it is when you hear it by itself. I think there's like 14 of them. Alright, here we go. Trust me, it's worse. Crap, switching out my computer. Okay, that's it. Wow, that is really freaking annoying, huh? Alright, well, I just felt like wasting your guys' time again, because I was bored, and I just thought I would throw that out there. Alright, that's about it. See you guys later. Adios.